Why does everything good have to end? Why can't I win even one single game? I know it hurts. I know it feels like the end of the world. But every challenge is a hidden opportunity. Every obstacle is a chance to learn something new about yourself, about the world. You are stronger than you think. You are more capable than you feel right now. These moments of trial are what shape your character. They are what build resilience and grit. So don't be afraid of the hard times. Don't run from the things that scare you. Instead, embrace them, because they are the very things that will make you wise, that will make you who you are meant to be. And I am here with you every step of the way. Trust me, my child, you are never alone.
Like and share for more.